Sorry.
Come on, Elaine.
It's on the counter.
Oh, you don't know how to do it.
Sabay-sabay mahal.
He knows how.
Okay, that's not working.
Mix
May
na
mahilig yan.
Nasaan yung bag?
Pamangkin ni Mike yan eh.
Let me see.
Yung may tagging gun, may extra lighter doon.
Ay, natatakot na.
Wala kasing nagsisigarilyo eh. No?
Wala nang
Wala
gas.
na.
Wala nang gas.
Just a candle.
Akala na.
Meron pa isa dyan, man!
Saan?
Marami yan.
Doon, maraming ganyan.
Saan nga?
Sa drawer.
Kasi tinatapon yung ano.
Tapos na yan.
Oo nga eh.
Para hindi binabalik-balikan.
Eh, si Daddy kasi sabi niya. Pwede pa yan. Pwede
Oh
pa
my
yan.
gosh.
Are you gonna eat all of them?
I gave you a gift, remember?
Connie, nakipag-living sila sa Mission Viejo. Ang layo. Kaya sabi niya,
Gotta
na lang kami.
Alright, here you go. Are you ready? Are you
Okay.
ready? No,
No, you
light it
stand
up.
behind
You want to
Lucas.
light it up and blow it too?
Yung mami ng
Stand
kapatid
behind
ng Daddy
Lucas.
ko, ano na. Ilang buwan ang nakakuha.
Bibilis ka dyan.
Okay.
So
You ready?
Ryan and Anissa will be behind you.
Go! Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lucas. Happy birthday to you.
Smile.
One more. Sige, ulit.
Si Mike nag-blow.
Oh, one more?
Line it up, line it up.
You want one more? Okay. Alright. Smile, you gotta smile. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Alright, come on, go!
Blow! Elaine, don't blow it. Whoa!